is a project completed along the Conowingo Creek in partnership with the Alliance for the Chesapeake Bay in the spring of 2023. It involved 2,500 feet of stream bank stabilization and fish habitat structures. The construction was done by U.S. Fish and Wildlife and Unique Excavating, and then we passed it on to Alliance for the Chesapeake Bay to complete the buffer and fencing.
This project here is really unique in southern Lancaster County because it connects two Amish dairy farms that produce milk for Maryland Virginia Milk Co-op. Upstream, along this tributary, we installed a heavy use area that's going to capture manure and reduce erosion from getting to the stream. The buffer here will help reduce any other erosion or manure that might make its way downhill.
Here, just a few months later, we're already seeing an incredible response of vegetation and the water clarity. These trees here are going to continue to grow and stabilize the banks with their root system, and we're trying to at least mimic what historic water conditions would have been like here for the organisms that have evolved to utilize our waters here. And by cleaning up local waterways up here in Pennsylvania, we're obviously cleaning up the Chesapeake Bay. As you know, this creek here is flowing south towards Havre de Grace. And not only can, through our programs and through the implementation of these conservation practices, we get local clean water, but we also end up with a better Chesapeake Bay.